Hola a todos, Del the Do-It-Yourselfer here, and today we're going to be doing a little unwrapping and unboxing for future videos. So let's see what we got. I already know what's in here, but cut it open and get the surprise anyway. Okay. That. Would you look at this? This is a grab bar for the bathtub shower area. It's a sort of a safety item in case of, say, a bottle of shampoo or something spills and the bathtub floor gets slippery. You have something to latch onto it. Maybe it might be a one in a million thing, but accidents happen, and one of the primary points about this item is that it gets anchored into the boards, into the studs, into something solid, not just drywall. And that's going to be a future video, and so I'm kind of looking forward. But it also has this rubberized handle part for your grip, and I think it's for everybody, you know, that it's just trying to avoid problems. And it comes with the, see what else is in here. It comes with this, oh, I see, this is a separate item, two items in one package. These are collars for drills, and it has a little Allen head hex screw. So that is connected with what's in here. I already know what's in here as well. Let's open this up and I'll show you. This is a set of titanium drills, and on the bottom they're hex head. They're 1/4-inch hex head, meaning that they will set into the cordless screwdriver that I've previously shown you, and I'm going to show you again. So I'm going to have to move and grab that right away, but that'll all be part of the installation of the grab bar. So hang in there a second. So here's the cordless screwdriver and slash box cutter. It has a box cutter attachment, which I've shown you previously. So here it is. This is a 1/4 head hex head, and these attachments here, the different size screwdrivers and so forth, have that type of arrangement there. So it fits right into the tool like that. So now these drills, I'm hoping to fit in there, and grab this as well. So we'll open up the drills. Hopefully they open easy, and I don't think they're gonna, so we'll need to cut again. The reason I wanted to do this is because it's going to save a lot of time. Say here's say a pilot hole drill. You just put it in, and it fits. You press the gun, and there you go. Okay, there's that. And now these depth collars, there are different sizes in here, and they come with the Allen head wrench. And let's see if we can get one that's the right size for this drill. Let's see if they have one small. They come in several sizes, and I think this one in my hand, or maybe this other one here, might be the right one for this drill. And the idea is, yeah, this is the smallest one here. the idea is that you put it on the drill and you tighten it down. If you want to drill a pilot hole a certain depth, this stops you and it lets you know. So you won't have to overdo it. And so here, say you wanted to go that far, you just tighten it down. And I picked the wrong one. And let's see here. Oh, here it is. Hiding way down there. Try this other one. And again, we don't have anything organized ahead of time. So, and once it's set up, then it's set up. Yeah, I think this is the right one. It's set up, and then that's it. Okay, and then the same size Allen head wrench is for the whole show. So let's see if we can't get this right. There. There it is. Okay. So suppose, I'm going to tighten it down a little. Suppose you wanted to, you're drilling your pilot holes and you want to go to a certain depth and you don't want to eyeball it. Just shoot it in, and the collar will stop you where, and then if you have to drill several of them, you save a lot of time. Now the manufacturer does not recommend using this tool only for light projects around the house. Nothing heavy duty, nothing commercial or industrial or anything like that. But I've noticed that the tool has an impressive amount of torque, and it beats using a screwdriver in instances where you see these professionals on TV. They're experts using screwdrivers. They wouldn't maybe even need a tool like this, but for the average person of limited mechanical abilities, this would be ideal. This would save an immense amount of time and effort and say a minimal amount of talent. Let the tool make up the difference. And this is also, the tool also goes reverse. There's your, let's see, that here. You click on the bottom for the red and you know you're in reverse. And so normally with your attachments for different size slotted screwdrivers and Phillips screwdrivers, you once the bolt is, say if it's not torqued down too badly, this tool will take care of the whole job. If it's torqued down, you might have to loosen it up a little bit and then use this. But it saves a lot of time, and I'm recommending this. I don't normally recommend things, but this one I think is, for the money, it's not bad, and for the amount of money that this drill set cost, it's just, this was way less than $10, way less. And so, and these are titanium drills, and hopefully I've problems with drilling pilot holes in the past with regular drills is drills this small tend to break. So I'm hoping that these titanium drills don't have that problem, and you take them out and change them and put in something different, and put in maybe one of your attachments to shoot the screw in, and it can all be done in seconds, and it can all be done nice and easy. Suscríbete y comenta. Now for those of you who are not Spanish students like myself, that means subscribe and comment. Suscríbete y comenta. Adiós muchachos y muchachas.